So this is how it came in the mail, and when you open it up, I was like, wow, this is beautiful. It comes in this little makeup bag. And when I opened it up, I was like, oh my God, this is a lot of stuff. We have this 4-way buffer. We have this cute little supply kit. Oh my goodness. We have a clipper, tweezers, scissors, everything that you would need to do someone's nails. So this is one of my favorite things from the kit. We have business cards, right? And we have some sample bags, which is a plus. Then we had 6 strips, 6, which is amazing, and a nail file. Now the 6 strips, they were picked at random, so I didn't get to pick the ones that I wanted, but I kind of like that. That's kind of exciting. So these are the 6 strips that I got. I used one of these, so look forward to that video. We have some cute flowers here on a white background. We have this dark teal color. This is our solid strips. We have these animal print strips with like a rainbow vibe. We have this purple glitter, kind of similar to the gold that I used. We have these unicorn strips, which is really, really cute. And we have this kind of turquoise tribal look going on. So I love this little bag. This is just so cute. This is just amazing. I am just so happy with the kit.